Hello student of class 12, this is the continuation video of the chapter 3D plane. Here the sum is, prove that the equation of the plane which passes through the point 2, minus 3 and 5 and which is parallel to YZ plane. The required plane is passes through this point and parallel to YZ plane. Okay. Solution part. Any plane parallel to YZ plane is x equal to k. Okay, x equal to constant. Since it passes through two, minus 3 and 5, so k equal to 2 and I can write x equal to 2. This is the required equation of the plane. This is the required equation of the plane. Okay. I am going to the second sum. Find the equation of the plane which is parallel to the plane, parallel to the plane 2x plus 4y plus 5z equal to 6 and the sum of whose intercepts on the coordinate axis is 19. Okay. We have to find the equation of the plane which is parallel to this plane. Okay. Solution part. Let the equation of the plane be 2x plus 4y plus 5z equal to k, because this plane and this plane is parallel. So, in both equation only constant are different and the coefficient of x, y, z same. It is the difference. It is the difference. Since these two equations is parallel, so only coefficient, only constant is different. And x intercept, that is x intercept, that is here y equal to 0 and z equal to 0. Coordinate of x equal to 2x equal to k, so x equal to k by 2. This is x intercept. X intercept from, that means intersect, since the plane intersect x axis, then the coordinate of the point of x axis is k by 2, 0, 0. Okay. And similarly, I can write for y axis x z equal to 0, x z equal to 0, so 4y equal to k, that means y equal to k by 4, that is coordinates of the point on y axis equal to 0, k by 4, 0, and the and for z axis 5 5 z equal to k, there x equal to 0, y equal to 0, for z equal to k by 5. That means the coordinate of z equal to coordinate of the point on z axis equal to 0 0 k by 5. And it is given that here the sum of the intercepts on the coordinate axis is 19. That means k by 2 plus k by 4 plus k by 5, this is equal to 19. It is given intercepts. It is the coordinate of the point on x axis, y axis, z axis, but this is the x intercept, this is the y intercept, and this is the z intercept. This equal to 19. This is equal to 20, LCM 20, 10k plus 5k plus 4k, this is equal to 19. That means 19k by 20 equal to 19, that is k equal to 20. Okay. So the equation of the plane is, equation of the required plane is 2x plus 4y plus 5z equal to 20. This is the required equation of the plane. I am ending here.